Aloha, I'm Whendi Grad and I'm here with Big Island Bees to show you a very quick and easy pūpū that you can throw together at the last minute, and it's delicious. So if you have a piece of Brie or camembert or something, you can always have that in your refrigerator and just pull it out at the last minute. I have it on a tea leaf, but you could have it, you're going to transfer it to a baking sheet. But right now, so you can see, we have a piece of camembert here, goat camembert, and I'm going to take our chili pepper honey. And I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons, depending on the size of the cheese. You want to cover it fairly well with this spicy chili pepper, Hawaiian chili pepper honey. Okay, then I take about a 1/4 cup of salted mac nuts. They're lightly roasted. And I pour that on top, and voila, I am going to stick this on a baking sheet and put it in an oven at 350 until soft, about 10 minutes. So we've taken this out of the oven, we put it in at 350 for about 7 minutes until it was nice and soft and starting to get brown. Now, and then I slid it onto a platter and I arranged many things to go with it, like sourdough bread and crackers, olives, pickles, even grapes. You could do tomatoes, whatever you have in the refrigerator could make a great pūpū platter. Now, I also, what I like to do, because once you bake it, a lot of the honey will drip onto the pan. You can just take a little and drizzle a bit more on top, just like that. Give it a little extra flavor, and it's beautiful, nice and soft and gooey and yummy. Hope you enjoy.